Okay, we're going to have a good time today. We're going to make a delicious fall dish here. Got the fire going, but we're going to use this. This is called the Buzzy Grill, and this is pretty cool. I seen this on the internet. I contacted the company. They're like, yeah, this is great. So they shipped me one of these out. So we're going to cook a few things on here. We're going to make a pumpkin barbecue glaze to go on some pork chops that we're going to cook on the grill. But I'm going to cook the glaze over the fire too, so we're just going to do the skillet here. We'll set it on here. And then I have a cup of white onions. So we're just going to cook these for a little while. And then when they get done, we'll add the glaze and we'll start cooking that. And once it gets going, we're going to want to simmer that for like 20 or 30 minutes. So, but yeah, so here we go. So the thing that's cool about this is you can just check that out. Just kind of put it wherever you want it. It has you pound it in the ground, but you can adjust it. And then if the heat's too much, just raise it up. You want to stir it, just kind of move it out of the heat. That's pretty dang cool. But I think I'll go with that notch right there. And we'll just brown those onions up a little bit, and then we'll go to the next step. So we'll see you back. So the onions are doing good. So that I just used about a tablespoon of olive oil and a cup of onions, but we're going to do the sauce. So now this is just a bunch of ingredients. It has pumpkin puree, it has ketchup, it has apple cider vinegar, it has all kinds of different spices, garlic powder, pumpkin spice. I'm going to have the whole recipe for this sauce down in the description, so check that out. But we want to get this in there and we want to get it simmering, and then we're going to simmer it for about 20 to 30 minutes so it thickens up. So let's raise this up. Bring it over here. See, that's pretty cool. Then you don't have to get right down over the fire. Oh yeah. But I'll have a link to the Buzzy Grill, buzzygrill.com, BUZZYGRILL. So check this out. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Yeah, let's give that a little stir. Oh, yummy. So we'll get that going. Like I said, this is going to simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to start some briquettes, and we're going to cook some Delicata squash in the Dutch oven. So I think maybe let's go a little bit higher, because that started bubbling right away. So there we go. Man, that looks pretty dang good. So yeah, we'll get that going. I'm going to light my briquettes to get the squash going. We'll see you back. Okay, look at this barbecue sauce. It's thickening up so good. I actually raised it up a notch because it was cooking so good. But yeah, this Buzzy Grill, this is working out great. So I'm just going to let that go. It's been going for about 20 minutes right now. But let's get the Delicata squash going. We're going to cook it in the 10-inch Dutch oven. So we're going to cook it at 400 degrees. So I want 8. There's my tongs. 8 on the bottom. That looks like more than 8. 4. That looks pretty good right there. But check, this is the Delicata squash. We got some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then this is brown sugar, maple syrup, and a little more olive oil. We're just going to drizzle that over the top. This will cook for 25 minutes, right, Jenny? Was it 25?
20 to 30.
Yeah, 20 to 30. That works. So, yeah, look at that. Yummy. So we'll put the lid on. We got 8 coals on the bottom. And then we want 16 on top. So I'll just kind of load this lid up like that. That's probably pretty good right there. Those will cook for 20 to 30 minutes. That sauce is about ready, so we're going to get the pork chops going here in about 10 minutes, so this should all time out great. So yeah, good times. Okay, here we go. The squash has been cooking for 20 minutes, so let's check it. I'm losing a little sunlight. I might have to break out the lantern, but we'll see how it goes. We have the fire here. But yeah, look at that. Check out this barbecue sauce. Look how good that's thickening up.
That smells really good.
Yeah. So I raised the Buzzy Grill up a notch, and yeah, we just left it right there. But let's look at this squash and see how it's doing. Oh yeah.
Smells good.
Yeah, I think 5, maybe 10 might be too much. So yeah, maybe in 5 minutes we pull that off. Yeah, that looks good. But at this point we want to start, we're going to cook the pork chops. So I have 4 bone-in pork chops here, and we put olive oil on them and salt and pepper. So I'm going to see if I can just slide this pan here in the corner so that can stay there. And I want to cook these pork chops for maybe like 4 minutes or so and get them almost cooked all the way, and then we'll glaze them with that delicious barbecue glaze. Look at that. That's perfect. So we'll just let that go. I'll watch the pork chops. We'll flip them here in a minute. The squash, I'm going to pull that off in 5 or 10 and set it aside. But yeah, this is a good time, so we'll see you back. Holy smoke. Look at that. That's pretty dang good. Oh, it's hot on the hand. I should have swung the Buzzy Grill out before I flipped them. Yeah. This one crusted up good. These need a little bit more time. It must be hotter right there. But oh man. So here we go. Look at those pork chops. They look so good. I'm gonna pull them off, and we're gonna take them in the house, and we'll get them on a plate, and then we'll show you the pork chops and the squash together. So yeah, see you back. Okay, we're ready. We're in the house. It smells so good. This cooked up. I can't believe this, but look at this pork chop. Cut that. Oh, that's so tender. Look at that. Perfect. Mmm. Yummy. A barbecue sauce is just all crunchy because it cooks up good like that. That's what we like here in Lava Hot Springs, huh, Jenny?
Yeah.
And then look at this squash. Yummy. Mmm. That's so good. A little salad on the side. Good times cooking in the outdoors. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.